Alrighty, so I'm gonna get started reinstalling this big shelf. It goes in here, and hopefully we can get it installed without any trouble. I mean, this thing should just right in if we can get it to get past the side posts here. It is a little awkward, but I think it can be done. I don't even remember how I got it out of here, but it was something like this, I think. Yeah. Cool. I'll bring you in a minute here, but this is looking really promising. Before I finish installing that tray inside the car, I decided I'm going to get the rear speakers ready. And I really hate to do this. I was thinking about buying new speakers, but these are Pioneer speakers, and these are really, really nice. So the only thing I didn't care for is how these tweeters really protrude beyond the perimeter of this mid-range. But anyway, I don't care about that because they really push against the grill, but it is just so little that I don't think it's really a big deal. And again, because these are quality speakers, I'm going to go ahead and reuse them. I mean, if someone eventually decides to use a different style or brand, they can certainly do that. And this speaker is held in here by 2 screws, at least from what I can tell, unless we have a bracket missing. Always a possibility. So we have I'm gonna have to get something to clean up this hole here so I can get this thing started back in a few. Anywho, okay, so there's a hole there. Where's the other one? Oh, it's back here. So here and here. Let's get these started while it's more accessible to do so. Did I mention that it's super hot in this garage, especially inside the car? Okay, so that one, what's in there? And we don't know yet if we're going to be hit by a hurricane. Fun stuff. Yeah, you guys, move to Florida. You're gonna love our thunderstorms and hurricanes. Alrighty, let's see if we can. Well, I hope I am not blocking the camera, as I have a tendency to do sometimes. But you guys understand, right? Whew. Oh man, did I mention it's hot in here? Okay, come on, please be there. Yes, no, maybe. Of course not. Why make this easy There. Oh yeah. I felt that thing. Let's see. Alrighty. Let's try again. Yes. Whew. Okay. It's kind of cool. These little screws kind of disappear into oblivion, which I think is a town south of Tampa. No, make that up. Oh, come on. Are you there yet? Of course not. Why make it easy when this can be so much more fun when it's difficult? Nice. I don't know why this at a weird angle here, but I'm not gonna keep fighting it. Next I have to do the other side. Extend the wires and reinstall it. And I'll show you the finished product. Alrighty guys, this is done. And I'm not sure I like the those shiny screws there. I think I used the wrong ones. So let me see what I can find back there and see if I can go ahead and replace them, because I want them to blend in nicely. Anyway, as you can see, the speakers, not perfect, but they're in place, looking good. Everything is clean. I think the tray is looking amazing after the paint job, and so are these end pieces. So this is looking great, but let me address those shiny screws. Let me see what I can do. All right, guys. I got everything buttoned up. I replaced those 6 screws with blackhead screws. I installed the corner pieces. I have the speakers back in place and connected. And everything is looking really, really good. The the privacy screen is working fine. I also cleaned the vinyl. I treated the vinyl a little bit so it would look good and stay flexible, and that is done. So all in all, I'm very happy with the result of this project. So the back window, everything in the tray turned out beautifully with the fresh paint. So this is looking really probably like when it was brand new. And if you watched that video, you also know that I refinished the rear window trim. So this is all nice and looking new. So that part is done. And again, I'm super happy with the results. So next I have to start getting this console back in. I'm going to vacuum everything again before I reinstall the seats. And it'll be a step closer to being drivable at that point. I adjust the clutch pedal a little bit, so that should be a lot better. I have to reinstall the door panel once I make the vapor barrier. I want to make a new one. So I'm still investigating what product to use. And also fix the door lock. It was all messed up, so it's got all the wires, it's been resoldered, and everything is working properly. So getting there. So that is it for now. See you next time. Take care. Bye.